Start recording. Hey, it is February 11th, Wednesday. I almost forgot what day it was. That's kind of crazy. But yeah, let's get into it. I took two trades. One loss, kind of got effed by Tredove, getting me really shitty fill. That loss, boom, got swept again, boom, entered again, and then took it off at low hanging fruit. So not a big winning day, but not like break even. So I'll take it. Okay, coming into the market. Where is replay? Boom, back right here. So sitting right here in this range, right? I see. Let's go the hour. Actually, that's better to see. Okay, so we kind of have been accumulating, kind of been chopping, kind of been, you know, boom, up and down. So that was yesterday. So kind of swept. Okay, we have liquidity above, but we have this accumulation right here, right? I see. Okay, it's already leaking what it does, but I see 8:30 just straight pumps up. Right, news 8:30, boom, rips it up. I see us take this high before market opens, and I'm like, okay, that means basically one of two things. That means that okay, we're gonna get closure, and we're just gonna continue to rip. Not very probable, but could happen. Or we sweep this and we push down. Do I have my if thens? I swear I have them somewhere. Ah, right here. I'm right here. So I was like, swept the highs. I'm looking for a possible reversal back to discount. If we don't, put in manipulation. If we don't put in manipulation, I'm looking for us to sweep internals and continue higher. I would love to see us rebalance this range since we have to go straight up. And I said I can see us sweeping this high to put in Manny for the reversal. And so now, coming back in, boom, we put in the high right here. Does this look like manipulation? Eh, not really. So then if we let it play out, where is market open? That's market open. Boom. Market, okay, it's too clouded there. Market open pushes up. Okay, boom. We put in a high. We swept the high. Okay, this if we get closure below here does possibly look like manipulation. Boom. I am mad right here because I'm like scared that if I entered, stop loss would have to be this high. I saw it as manipulation, change of the state. This would have been a great trade to take with the stop loss above here. Why? Because if you target even your lowest hanging fruit, that's the like one of the only places I would have taken partials. Maybe there, but that's still a 1-to-1 or down to there. Truly, what I believed should have been. Was that actually EQ? I think I did draw that out as EQ. No, that was point like 6.8, 6.18. But that would have been a good trade to be in because that's the top, right? If I see this in manipulation, I don't want to see this get swept again because we put in a high, boom, swept it again. Don't want to see us even closing back up here. And so then boom, missed that. I'm mad. I'm like, oh, I could FOMO in right here. Didn't tap that. Boom. Seeing nothing here to get in. Right. No soup, no change in the state, no entry. Actually, hold on, go back to this bar. I saw, I think this next candle soups it. Yeah, I saw that soup, and I'm like, okay, if we get closure below here, I want to see lower, possibly there or possibly there. Boom, never happens. We rip up. I'm like, yeah, I don't really like that. But seeing this candle open, dump. Honestly, probably could have gotten an entry in here too, since I missed that because this is the giant failure swing of things. So kind of mad about that, but I would have gotten filled hella late. And then having to watch this come back, not very good. Saw that, saw soup, and I'm like, okay. I want I want to be in. I want to be in on this. So I think I entered. Oh, I got filled like right there. It was pulling down. I'm like, okay. I'm expecting this to just stay heavy and close below. Boom. Absolutely run it. I was trying to get in somewhere up here. Didn't happen. Candle pop back up. And I'm like, oh shoot. We could get another sweep here. Boom. Swept it. Dumped it. I got an even later entry down here. Um, at this change in state. But then I'm like, okay, yeah, stop above this high. Boom. What am I looking for? I'm looking for this low hanging fruit. Should have entered three cons and had a runner down here. Don't know why I wasn't even thinking about three cons at the time. Uh, This because I took a loss and it kind of just threw me off. But to that aspect of okay, I got stopped out here. I got wicked out. Really, I should have waited till we at least wicked this. I think that's going to be another thing. The second we wick the change in the state, if I should enter, right? Because then as long as the wick doesn't close down here, I should be fine. There should be like no drawdown. But since it didn't even wick it, I don't know if we actually are going to continue to close. Got late entry, swept there, and I'm like, oh shoot, we swept that, which was the high. So now I'm looking at a possible retrace to discount right here. But I think this next candle hits it almost perfectly too. Yeah, wicks deep into discount. And then boom, not another sweep. Okay, boom, swept it again. What are we looking for? Possible high. Okay, took the candle, that candle high, possibly looking for candle low. Okay, boom, put in another turtle soup. And so my stop loss is up here. I'm just watching this oscillate back and forth in the red and green. Boom, got that. Saw this candle print, and I'm like, okay, sweeping that. Okay, could possibly come back to discount, or we just since we got closure, just dump it. Boom, that's what happened. Boom, take profit hit. Boom. If I had a runner, I would have been my stop to break even here, and then trailed the runner there. And that's all I have for today. Honestly, nothing much. It was great to be able to stay on the charts longer because 949. I would have entered, uh, but then setting the stop loss and take profit, and then having to hop off. But I mean, where's the market now? I think it's kind of nope. It's just continued dumping. We're just dumping. So this is high time frame manipulation. Then since we're getting closure below there, boom. It's exciting, exciting for the rest of the week. But going on my trades, I like these two. I should have waited for the CISD to at least get wicked. And then I'm kind of mad that I didn't even enter up here because it would have been nice. But it's like I'm scared of losing, right? If I'm here, I'm like, oh, what if we just wick it, take the high again? Looking back at it, I'm like, why did I not enter there? But in real time, I'm seeing these candles print, and I'm like, oh, what if? Because I think for the original thing, it's like okay, EQ is here, which is like close to there, close to here. So I'm thinking like, okay, if I'm entering a trade here, I want to target it EQ first. With a stop loss like that, that's like what 1.6 RR. That's not bad, but it's like to my mind, I'm like, oh, this looking at this, okay, giant candles. Okay, I don't really like that. Whereas I shouldn't be scared. It's like I literally typed out, I'm scared of losing, scared that if I enter my stop loss would have to be this high and the RR would be too low, which is just not true. So I'm glad that I took these trades right here. Uh gonna wish I had added another con, but you can only control what you can control, and the results would have been the same, right? Maybe, yeah, a little bit larger. No, not even a larger win. It would have been the same amount because I would have taken 3, got stopped out, entered 3 again, taken 2 off low-hanging fruit, okay, because that's not averaged in lower, um, because of it, and so I'd probably be up, like, 10, $20. It's not the biggest deal, but, yeah, I mean, that's all I got for today. I don't know if we have news tomorrow, I'm not even really checking the calendar, but I'm happy that I took a trade, and I will see y'all tomorrow.